Hello viewer, how to convert the WordPress to Laravel. So you have to understand what is the type of website, like blog or news. So this is content based website or e-commerce or blog or others website. You have to understand what type of website you use others. So you should, if you blocked, you need to, we should copy this existing blog website. So we should firstly Laravel make model, migration and controller. Then we should same architecture, similar type of website, similar existing content need to show. So existing content, existing is URL you need to solve link, existing link 100%. Okay, need to 100% okay in Laravel. So existing link 100%, existing is link need to show. So no never broken link, any link in the Laravel. So in the WordPress is like hello blog, in Laravel also same show. Just we should in the backend we have controller, in the controller and model and migration we have existing all URL, all content need to scrap in the Laravel. So we should understand firstly what type of website in the WordPress you want to convert in Laravel. Then in Laravel you should need model, migration and controller. So model, migration, controller we need to hit. So any type of WordPress website you want, you can as a Laravel is a custom build website. So here we can customly build your blog and customly build your e-commerce. So any type of website you can convert it. So similarly just change the in the backend architecture in Laravel. So you can sense in the WordPress there is a security, the vulnerability, also several issue in the WordPress completely handle the custom thing. So you can handle it Laravel. Here everything, every security you can customly add on, also customly handle in the Laravel. So any type of WordPress custom, WordPress migration to Laravel, you can contact me. I can within 1 week to 2 weeks. So if large project, very large project, then it could be 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Within 4 weeks any type of website I can migrate for you, with also include all existing content, existing link, everything in the existing never any content or any broken link will face you. So I have to solve for it. The best of luck.